Next in CSS, we are going to create this moving ball. So it is starting from here and going up to the end of the screen. So to create this, here is our basic HTML code, and within body section we are giving div class equals to d1, and within this class there is one more div whose class is going to be ball. Now in head section, first of all we are giving background color to our page. Sorry, that thing should come under style tag, and asterisk, here we have to give background color. Here I'm choosing light sky blue. So this is our color of the web page. Next we have created a class, we have to create a class d1. So it should be dot d1, and here I'm doing nothing except I'm giving position. Here I'm giving position to relative. Next we have to create a class ball. This ball class we have to create. So dot ball is the name of this class. Here I'm giving position to absolute. Next I want that from top side it should be 0 pixel away. Top margin should be 0 pixel away, and left margin should also be 0 pixel away. Then we are giving width of ball, I want it to be 50 pixel. Height is also 50 pixel, sorry. Then border radius we are giving is 50%. Then color of the ball, for that we have to give background color. Here I'm choosing red. Then box shadow to give a realistic effect to that ball, because right now it is looking like this. Now to give it a realistic effect we have to give shadow and all. So here I'm giving insert 0 pixel horizontal shadow. Here I'm giving minus 10 pixel, then 20 pixel blur effect, and what color of shadow we want is black. So now ball is looking like this. We will be using animation in our in this, so we have to give animation name also. So here I'm giving animation, and here I'm giving name to it as 1. It should go for 5 seconds, that means duration is 5 seconds and infinite number of times. Save. Here we have chosen animation name as 1, so here we have to give @ keyframes, and here we have to put 1. Now we want that when ball is 0% away from its current position, That means it will be at its current position. That 0% means it will be at its current position. So from top side it should be 0 pixel away. That is, at this point it is not going to move. And from left side also it is 0 pixel away. And here I'm giving animation timing function to ease in. Second thing is, when ball is 20% away from its current position, then top margin should be, I'm giving 90 view height, and from left side it should be, I'm giving 10% away. And here also I'm giving animation timing function to ease out. Next, when it is 60%, then top margin should be not 60%. First of all, we will come to 40%. Then top margin should be, I'm giving 0 view height, and left margin should be, here we are giving is 20%. Okay, here we'll change it to 40%. When it is 60%, then top margin should be, I'm giving here 90 view height, and from left side it should be, I'm giving 60%. And here also we'll be using animation to ease out, and here it should be ease in. Then when it is 80%, then top margin I want it to be 0 VH, and from left side we want it to be 90%. Better to give 80% here, and here it should be ease in. And when it is 100%, then top margin I want it to be 90 VH, and left margin I want it to be 90%, and here it should be ease out. Save it and go live. If we want to move the ball further more right side, then here instead of 90% we have to do 95%.